With all the changes going on in the world, it's sometimes difficult to see the wood for the trees. So, how do we achieve a more elevated perspective to ensure we don't get drawn into the ongoing fear and division narrative? Well, we turn to an aspect of consciousness that is here to support us all on the journey, but who carries that elevated view, along with a deep seated wisdom that is shared openly to help us follow a path that leads us towards love, light, and unity from a practical human perspective. In our show, we talk about humanity's biggest challenge, which is a return to oneness at a time of deep division. Our energy fields continue to create the illusion of separation, but if we understand what is really going on and take count of how many of us are in the room or on the planet, the answer is always the same, and that number is one. If we accept that as reality, then we would also realize that it is time we stop punching ourselves in the face, a pastime that appears very popular on the planet right now. And don't worry about the drama, it is simply the old, outdated energies playing things out to create space for the new and a world of unspeakable beauty. Of course, you get to decide whether this represents truth or deluded nonsense for you. After all, while we are one, we are all individuated expressions of that one for a reason. Your answer depends on the journey you have chosen for yourself, and there is no wrong answer. And of course, all this uncovered wisdom is encapsulated in another Joel Gabriel guided meditation to help us embody these messages. Join us live on Sunday, 4 p.m. UK, 11 a.m. Eastern and 8 a.m. Pacific, or any time thereafter, to see how this resonates for you.